Mediation is a fantastic opportunity to settle your case. Some counties actually require it, like Orange County, Florida, but not all do. I recommend it in almost every case. What occurs at an actual mediation is both parties go, and their attorneys are there representing them. Then you also have a mediator there. I suggest to try to hire a private mediator. There are court mediations too, but they're very short in time, and it's surprising how much time you actually need. I often like to block certainly a half day, if not a full day, to understand what mediation is going to take, because it's your opportunity to settle everything right there and then, draft it up and sign it. Then if parenting courses and other required things are taken care of, only a final hearing is necessary after the mediation itself. Mediation is privileged as well. What that means is you have an opportunity to talk and not feel like you're going to be put on the stand and say, you didn't settle at mediation because of this. In fact, that's not allowed to talk about the settlement discussions in the courtroom. So it's really an opportunity to resolve things, and I find if you can resolve things in mediation, that the parties are generally going to do better afterwards versus going to court. Yes, I am a mediator. It is a tremendous passion of mine to serve as a mediator. I work very hard to make sure I walk into that room and I'm ready. I know what's going on with both sides. I have talked to the lawyers ahead of time. They've told me about their clients, and I want to make sure that we can get it done. I've had situations where parties have come in and couldn't even look at each other or talk to each other, and it's actually incredibly rewarding by the end of the day to potentially resolve all their issues for them. So mediation is definitely a passion of mine, and I love the opportunity to do it. I will tell you, I think being a lawyer, a family lawyer, and a mediator helps, because I understand on both sides. When I'm serving as a lawyer, I can understand things because I've seen as a mediator both sides of the case. And as a mediator, I understand better because I have prepared mediations and know what to do. So preparation for mediation is crucial. I can say again, as a lawyer and a mediator, I'm surprised how many people are not prepared, nor are their clients when they go to mediation. It's really the opportunity to try to settle the whole case. If you are a client and you have a mediation come up, and your lawyer has not called you, call them. Be proactive. I need to sit down with you. I need to know the game plan. Your goal is to enter into 2 agreements, a parenting plan and a marital settlement agreement. Ask them, do we have forms drafted on that? Can I read it? What do I need to be thinking about? Never go into a mediation cold, and it really shocks me how many people are not prepared, or their lawyers frankly have not prepared them. As a mediator, what I do is I set up phone calls with the lawyers ahead of time and ask for information. So I always make sure to walk in prepared and not cold. But preparation for mediation is not just showing up at a meeting. It's thinking everything through and being prepared that day to potentially settle the entire case and sign the documents.